All right, bro. What up? I just wanted to make a quick video based on our conversation yesterday to quickly explain what we're doing here. But so basically, we talk about SEO and marketing businesses online to help them get found on the internet. So I mean, you already know what search engine optimization is, and basically, it's just what how you show up, how you're found on the search engines, right? So when somebody's typing in something like computer repair on Google, there's going to be the Google results page comes up. You already know. There's usually sometimes there's ads. That's weird that there's no ads here, but for this keyword, but usually there's ads. Then there's the map pack, and then there's the search results. Okay, so basically, what search engine optimization is what how you optimize your website to be able to come up here when people are searching for specific keywords. So um, that's what search engine optimization is. So for your website here, Nelsonology, we take this website and we put it into our tool Ahrefs. When we put it in here, basically it tells us it gets gets the Google data um, that's being tracked on your website. Okay, so right now you have zero keywords and you have basically no traffic going to your website organically. So when people are searching for anything related to your services, they're not even finding you anywhere. So that's because you don't have any keywords, and the keywords is what people are typing on the search bars here, and then you get found, then you can pop up. So Google determines how you're where they're going to display you on the search results based on what you have in your website. Okay. Now there's two phases to this. Now there's the content that you have on your website, which is called on-page SEO, and then there's off-page SEO. So basically, the off-page SEO I'll go over real quick here. Off-page SEO is being able to get your information, the things you do that are not on your website. So putting your directory, your business directory on the Google Maps, on the map pack, and adding your information on different directories. So with the map pack, really it's all about citations, right? So here, a citation is a business name, business address, and business phone number. So you don't have an address displayed here. Um, so you should. You have So that once you have your business name, business address, and phone number, now you can start adding it on different kinds of directories um, to be found also on the Google Map Pack. So that's the Map Pack. So basically putting up your business name, phone number, and address in a bunch of different directories so where you can boost your ranking here. Um, and backlinks. Okay, so backlinks are this. These are backlinks, right? So when you go to the backlinks, that just means what other websites are pointing back to your website. Okay, so you have intelligent systems monitoring that's pointing back to your website. This seems like the same intelligent system monitoring, Seattle Umbrella, uh, Acon Conspiracy, Seattle Umbrella, Conspiracy. So you have these are the pages that are linking back to your website. Okay, now depending on each domain or each website has a domain ranking, a rating, and also what's called a URL rating, right? So basically, depending on the type of website and how popular they are, um, you want those websites with a higher domain rating to be pointing back to your website because a domain rating out of 14 out of 100, it's not really a popular website that's pointing back to yours, so it's not really helping you much. Okay, so what I did was I just took a comparison. So I don't really know what people search for when it comes to your service, but for the most part, the average person, when their computer's not working or they need something to do with fixing their network, I'm assuming they're gonna call and search on Google computer repair. Okay, now I guess the job of or SEO is figuring out um, where what these keywords are, right? So you got to think about what your clients are going to be typing in to Google to try to find a solution to their problem. So for computer repair, when we type that into Google, these guys are the ones that come up here. These are the first ones to come up in the search engine. And I know this company too. They were a competitor for the cell phone repair business. But here they go ahead and they have 528 backlinks, 147 referring domains. But on top of that, they have um, 6.9 thousand keywords. Okay, and out of those 6.9 thousand keywords, they're being found on Google 98,000 times. So they're getting 98,000 people to go to their website. Okay, now if I go in here and I put their keyword search, right? So their ranking, these are all the keywords that they use to be able to come up on Google for the first page. Now they're even beating Yelp, Best Buy, Thumbtack, Business Finder, Home Advisor, right? So they're beating all of these guys out because of the keywords that they have that they're dominating basically on their website. Okay, now what we can do is we can pick out and search, right? Um, which keywords that they have on their website that it's not really hard to rank for and potentially beat them out, right? So that way, when people are searching for these terms on Google, you can be found on your website. Okay, so that's the terms for keywords, right? So basically, for your website, you really need to get more keywords that are pointing back to your domain, right? Because right now, so you don't got nothing, right? You have zero keywords and you have zero traffic. Now you have a great looking site, um, right here. I like the design, but in terms of content, um, I'll be. Let me take a look here and see your source. Okay, so this is. Now it's very strange that you don't have any keywords or anything. Now I'm thinking, is this like is your whole website based on an image? IT consultant. Okay. Try to find your content here. No protection. No, you're good. So you do have text on your website. It's just weird that it's not popping up. All right. So yeah, basically that's what we need to do for your website, right? Because you don't have um, any keywords. We have to find those keywords that people are looking for whenever they have a problem that's related to your service, and we need to start putting those into your website if that's what you want to rank for. Another thing, um, we can take some of those keywords that people are ranking for and start advertising online, right? But that's a different conversation. I wanted to just create this quick video to kind of let you know what SEO is and what the factors are. So some of them that are on page, right, which are the keywords and the content that's on your website. Off page, which are the citations, right? These the citations and also the backlinks, right? So let me jump back here, right? Backlinks. See the amount of other websites that are pointing back to your website. Now we can go and get these um, to help you, and also we can go and get these citations to help you, as well as the finding the keywords and creating the content on your website so people can find you when they're searching. All right, bro. I'll talk to you later.